Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study with Anki in medical school. First, download the Anki application and install essential add-ons like image occlusion, enhanced, and heat map. Next, import high-quality, pre-made medical school Anki decks, such as those for pharmacology or anatomy. Finally, familiarize yourself with the basic interface and adjust settings like your daily new card limit to a manageable number, perhaps 25. Establishing a consistent daily routine is key. Begin by completing all your daily reviews before tackling new material. This ensures you reinforce prior learning effectively. Then, add new cards directly related to your current lectures or readings, perhaps 20 to 30 new cards each day. Remember to keep your daily new card limit manageable to avoid burnout and maintain long-term consistency. To optimize your learning, personalize your decks. Edit existing cards for clarity and conciseness, making them easier to recall. Utilize powerful features like image occlusion for mastering anatomy, histology, or complex diagrams. Don't hesitate to suspend cards that are irrelevant or consistently low yield for your specific curriculum, focusing your efforts on the most important information for your exams. For advanced study, consider creating filtered decks to focus on specific topics or challenging cards before an exam. Integrate Anki with your practice questions by creating cards from concepts you frequently miss. Ultimately, the most crucial aspect is daily consistency. Even 15 to 20 minutes each day will lead to significant long-term retention, making your medical school journey much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.